We are going all out in today's video with ideas you'll actually use. First up, we're gonna grab some of these lanterns. These are always in stock in every Dollar Tree I go in. Check out this hack for your front porch. Perfect for summer.
The DIYs of this video are so easy, anyone can do them. From an opulent brunch with a $20 budget to luxury organizing products. But first, we have to start out with our outdoor lantern. Grab a lantern and some window vinyl or window film. I'll be sure to link a ton of affordable options for less than $10 on screen. I like this one because it looked like stained glass. Lay your lantern on the side and trace around it with a pen, cut it out, and then peel the backing away. Then I grabbed some adhesive dots. These are nano dots. I use them all around my house and put it in the four corners of your lantern. This vinyl is meant to be laid over glass, but when you attach it to the nano dots, this is a waterproof and really sturdy method for all of the openings of your lantern. I cut out 3 more pieces and adhered them with more nano dots. Now here's where it's going to look magical. Once you have 3 of your panels installed, grab some battery-operated fairy lights. You can get these from Dollar Tree. Attach the last panel at the top, and then at the bottom, cut out a small archway. This is just enough so you can stick fingers through to adhere the final 2 corners. Then you have a little opening for your cord to go through too. I leave the battery pack outside the lantern and hide it behind. You can put this on any setting you want for a magical stained glass glow. This DIY can be done in less than 5 minutes and is perfect for a back patio. And I had to share with you my amazing luck. In the thrift store, I found a pair, yes, a pair of Wicker side tables. And y'all, these were $14.99. I had to take these back home and stick them in my patio. I love how they add some contrast. Everything on my back patio was from the Dollar Tree and thrifted. Before I show the lantern reveal though, I have to show you some other Dollar Tree ideas. They have so many glass boxes, mirrored trays right at Dollar Tree, and you can use the leftover film in some creative ways for organizing around your house. I set this mirrored box right on top of a beautiful spot of the window film. I traced around just like I did for the lantern. When applying to glass, give it a little mist of water, set on top, and then squeegee out the excess. This was even more beautiful, I think, than the lantern. I don't know. Let me know which one is your favorite. I thought this would be beautiful to keep on a vanity. It would make a great gift idea, but look at how stunning this looks when the lights come through it. And it looks so cool on the tray. I followed the exact same process, giving it a light misting and then squeegeeing out the excess water. This one I could do even faster. Like once you get started with this, you're gonna wanna use it all over your house. If you have other creative uses, please share them with me, but one roll goes a really long way. And I promised you I would show you the beautiful lantern at night. I decided to put this right on one of the wicker stands. I'm so looking forward to having people over and hosting this summer, and this just adds an extra layer of ambiance I absolutely adore. And when it comes to hosting this summer, I have lots of ideas and items I have been gathering, all from the Dollar Tree, and I can't wait to share this next one with you.
I don't know if you've seen it, but there are incredible bagel bars on Pinterest, and you can buy bagel bar stands to put up all of your bagels on. You can put donuts on these, but did you know you can make this at Dollar Tree literally here and over, look at it, right here. All you need are a couple of candlesticks and you need these dowel rods. Now these come in a pack of 2 from the Crafter's Square. I'm gonna share with you with one other product. Come here. Right here, and a little bit of ribbon. This is gonna be so cute.
To make an elevated bagel or even a donut stand, we're gonna use the dowel rod inside the glass candlestick. First, start with a bit of hot glue at the bottom, add in your dowel rod and stabilize. And then you're gonna fill up the well of the candlestick until the glue reaches the rim. To add a sweet and dainty touch, I'm going to take these wooden beads. I got these at Dollar Tree along with some pretty ribbon. I used 6 beads and then tied together in a bow and slipped it down over the top of the rod. These would be great for weddings, baby showers, graduation parties. What are you celebrating this summer? Dollar Tree also has a $7 glass drink dispenser that is absolutely awesome. And stay tuned because I'm going to share with you the complete reveal and how I saved so much money. But first, we've got to talk about some organizing projects and some ideas you've never seen before.
These organizers, I love these for drawers. I use these all over. But if you take these organizers, some Mod Podge, and a napkin, check out what you can do. I have a lot of these at home. How many do you think I have at home? Let's count and see. How many do you think? Kathy probably knows. She's gonna air my dirty secret.
15.
You think I have 15 of these?
Yeah, in different varieties, of course, like the dishwasher safe, and like all of them together, big ones, little ones, at least 15.
15, okay. It's a conservative guess. Oh no, I'm in my head, I'm like, I have like 6. It's not that bad. Okay,
Grab a pretty napkin you love. I got mine from Walmart. You could get them from Dollar Tree, and we're going to put this on the back of the organizer. This is an old school Mod Podge DIY. By the way, how many Mod Podge bottles do you think Catherine has? Think about it, because I'm going to reveal it in a second. Okay, so I like to rip down the napkins and then I put them on kind of in crisscross patterns. With a napkin like this, I think it adds some dimension and layers. The secret is a thin layer of Mod Podge, put a napkin on top, and then you want to seal it in with more Mod Podge. Do this with any of the organizers from Dollar Tree, and because the napkin is on the back, the organizing container is not compromised and it can hold anything without ripping or tearing. I like to use a dishwasher safe Mod Podge, but look how beautiful this turned out. I'll show you in a minute exactly where I use this. It adds such elegance and dimension to your house. But first, I want to show you that you could use this with any items from Dollar Tree, from candlesticks to plates. I've done versions of this many times over the years, but I really liked it with this blue and white pattern. Peel back the ply, I put a layer of Mod Podge on the plate, and then I set the napkin on top. Then I add more Mod Podge because I think it looks better with 2 napkins. And again, you want these to be single ply. What's exceptional about this is not only is it quick, but you don't have to make this look perfect. Like on all of these DIYs, all you have to do is wait for it to dry, and then you can peel off the edges by tearing them gently. Use some super glue to attach a candlestick base, and this is perfect in a bathroom. I would also love to know how you would use this. You could put cupcakes on this, and because the Mod Podge is dishwasher safe, you can really use it anywhere. The acrylic organizers are perfect in my bathroom drawer. The blue and white print adds buckets of whimsy, and I just love how these look together, especially on the countertop. I definitely have to know your favorite spot to use something like this. Kitchens, vanities, maybe even a bedroom. Let me know in the comments below. And we're here to count the Mod Podges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 Mod Podges. That's not too bad. That's really not so bad.
Brand new, the Crafter Square also got these labels again. You get 20 labels and they come with the little drawstrings. This is amazing for organizing projects. Brand new.
I was shocked to see 20 very high quality, and yes, these are made of cardstock tags along with jute ties. The easiest way to put these with a Dollar Tree bin is by using a seam ripper. I stick this through the bin and attach it with some jute. I tie in a double knot in the back so it stays nice and sturdy. I love bringing you fresh organizing ideas like this, or maybe you already have some of these bins and containers, but you didn't know how to label them. I've used this all around my house, including inside of my closet. I've been really loving thrifting lots of finds and combining it with Dollar Tree ideas. For my closet, I thrifted a really pretty dresser as well as a mirror, and I love how this looks so cohesive and truly elegant together. And now this calls for some celebration. Dollar Tree has some really cute stuff right now.
The graduation items are out in full force. A couple of new products I want to point out are these boxes. These are stackable, but you don't just have to use these for graduation. I like that they're clear. You could put lights inside of this or use this for any type of party. This is so cool.
All of Dollar Tree's party decor is out in full force right now. Please, if you have a celebration coming up, baby shower, wedding, graduation, let me know so I can celebrate with you in the comments. But we've got to get back to this bagel bar because I hope whatever you're celebrating, this one is helpful.
For our elegant bagel bar, I just need a couple more things, and I want to do this for less than $20.
All of the decor and these cover-ups came from Dollar Tree, and all of the food came from Aldi. Aldi has basically Dollar Tree prices. Bags of bagels are $1.95. Their cheese is just $1.65. I like to buy the blocks of cheese, so that way I can just grate this down and save a little bit of money. Aldi cream cheese is only $1.39 a box. This is a great price and it beats Walmart. But hold on, I'm not going to grab the third fat cream cheese. No way. We are getting the real stuff. Plus, I love all these vegetables for things like parsley and cucumbers, even tomatoes. You can spend less than $1 for significant portions. I also had to grab for 79 cents some fresh jalapenos, and I like to make a jalapeno cream cheese. All you need is sharp cheddar, 3 jalapenos, and a block of cream cheese. I like to roast my jalapenos, mix it up with cheese, a little bit of garlic salt, and pepper, and you have an amazing dip. I will link the recipe down below. I cut down the vegetables, which were all less than $1 a piece, and all of these bags of bagels were $1.95. That means I can put together an entire brunch bar for less than $20 for everything you see here. And that's not even including the plain cream cheese, and I have some extra cream cheese in the fridge ready for when we need it. This was such an amazing way for me to be able to host Mother's Day this year, and it's so affordable. You can see all of the decor is from the Dollar Tree. I always add the toaster in case people want to toast up their bagels. These Dollar Tree tongs are some of my favorite. You get 2 for $1.50. I love how this bagel bar turned out. It's so fun to use, and then people can top it with whatever they want. I love a bagel. You cannot keep Catherine from a bagel. You could also do this with donuts though if you wanted something a little sweeter, something unique. The sky is really the limit. And I have to share with you these Sure Fresh cover-ups. They come in 3 sizes inside the box, designated by color. These are perfect for your extra cream cheese. You can stick it in the fridge. I do not like wasting food. Nothing goes to waste. And I really secretly deep down hope you could even take some things you already have and make life feel a little lighter, a little prettier, and a little more lived in the best way. For me, deciding that a little beauty is still worth making, people are still worth inviting over. Your home is worth caring for, even when it's imperfect. It's these little touches you really can do on a budget.
If you enjoyed this video, show it some love, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.